What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today we'll be talking about how I passed MFF, the phase 1. And the people that don't know what is MFF, is My Forex Funds. So I'm gonna do a breakdown and I'm actually show y'all that I actually passed. So let's get into it. Before we go into the chart, let's go ahead and show y'all that I actually passed. I passed in 15 days, which is pretty decent, you know. On MFF, all you have to do is make 8%, and I made 8%. And here's all the trades that I took. The first trade I took, made 3%. Second, I lost. You know, the third one was a loss, and the fourth one was a loss. And then I made 1.9%. Then I made 1.4. Then took the L, took an L, took an L, took an L, and then my last trade. This was the trade that allowed me to pass the challenge, or yeah, the first phase of the my MFF account. But yeah, so I am actually on phase 2. Hopefully the market's open today, so hopefully we get a good setup this week. I think we do. But let's go to the let's break this trade down. Let's go to the charts. So on AUD USD, I already had did the replay, so guys, so y'all can see, but I already knew, like, under this level right here, the 69-200 level, look to the left, there's heavy resistance under here. So you should take sales under this level, and you take buys above this level. So basically, this is on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour, once I seen this pullback right here to this level, as long as my stop loss was above here, I knew I was okay. And I seen some nice rejection. I looked at the 4-hour, it was pretty solid, nice rejection. Look at the 30-minute, nice rejection again. And then yeah, so I already kind of seen that price was going to most definitely come back, retest, and then drop. And that's exactly what it did. And I caught a 1-3 on this trade to make, I believe I made what I made, oh yeah, right here, 4.7%, and this will allow me to pass it. So I seen that the sales below here, so I was just waiting for a nice pullback to get in these sales, and this trade played out pretty smooth. I caught a 1-3, passed the challenge easily, you know. And yeah, guys, when you passing these challenges, take your time, man. I think it took me like 12 trades or something to pass. It took me 12 trades to pass, and yeah, pretty solid. Not that, you know, it was good movement in the market too. So, cause you don't want to take a challenge when the market's is like choppy and stuff. Do not do it. It's bad. But make sure your psychology is on point too. I was just very confident in this trade, honestly. So yeah, and let me know if I should do I think I'm gonna do part 2 of me passing verification, or if I fucking fail, you know, I will also post it. You know, I'm very transparent. And yeah, this trade was very solid, guys. But I think we're gonna wrap it up right here. Not a long video, but I will probably most definitely do part 2, because if I'm doing part 1, I might as well do part 2. And yeah, we're gonna document the journey with this, man. But I'm not gonna go over the rest of the trades because it's really like kind of pointless. I mean, I could go over my L's, but you know, it's not that. I don't remember, like, let's see, like, they're not that big of L's either, bro. I took one L and that was like right here, but yeah, it was not really too much. But I do have the second account. I haven't started yet, but I will most definitely trade this week. Hopefully see some good setups. I'll take a trade. And you got 60 days. That is more than enough time to pass the challenge. You know. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video though. Peace.
Let's stop, make it drop.